Hello and welcome to our school leaders, class and house captains induction assembly. Kyrone, will you now do the acknowledgement of country?
I would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of this land and pay my respects to the elders both past, present and future, for they hold the memories, the traditions, the cultures and hopes for Indigenous Australia.
Thank you, Kyrone. We will now remain seated while singing the school song.
We are the children of Gorican Public School. We stand together in royal blue and gold as we're learning how to live and become better citizens, striving each day as the years unfold. Working together, playing together, we want to learn and that's why we're here. So set yourself horizons, encouragement, you'll reach them. We'll learn to live better each and every day. We love each other, our families and our teachers. We stand united in the colours of our school. And on sports day you'll hear us shouting with our cheers full. Buckland, Gascoigne and Brooks are pioneers. Working together, playing together, we want to learn and that's why we're here. So set yourself horizons, encouragement, you'll reach them. We'll learn to live better each and every day.
Mr. Clinton, would you please introduce our 2021 school leadership team?
With pleasure. I'm really looking forward to working closely with our student leaders for 2021. So our school captains about to receive their badges today. Congratulations to Lincoln and Ruby. And our vice captains for 2021, Alyssa and Riley. Let's give our captains and vice captains a big clap. Student Leadership Prefects for 2021. Congratulations to Chloe, Dom, Lily, and Tyler. Let's give our prefects a big clap.
Mr. Clinton will now announce our house captains and vice captains for 2021. Our leadership team, would you please present the badges?
Congratulations to our 2021 Sporting House captains and vice captains. Our green Sporting House is Gascoigne. Our captains are Connor and Emmy. Our vice captains are Jasmine and Aidan. Let's give our Gascoigne House captains and vice captains a big clap. Congratulations to our Brooks Red Sporting House captains and vice captains. Our captains are Cooper, Bridget, Jordan, and our last vice captain is Lily. Give our Brooks captains and vice captains a big clap. Congratulations to our blue Sporting House Thwaite sporting captains and vice captains. Our captains are Brooklyn, Grace. Our vice captains are Jacob and Jordan, who's not with us today. Give our Thwaite captains and vice captains a big clap. Congratulations to our yellow Buck Sporting House captains and vice captains. Our captains are Jacob, Taylor, Our vice captains are Kalara and Stefron, who's not with us today. Let's give our captains and vice captains a big clap.
Mr. Clinton, would you please present our Junior Boys Swimming Champion 2020 award?
With pleasure, Lincoln. This is a very special medal that's been held over from our 2020 Presentation Day Carnival, and it's to our Junior Boys Swimming Champion for 2020, and I'd like to present it to Nate O'Brien, who's been waiting all summer holidays for this medal to arrive, but it's finally here. So congratulations, Nate, our Junior Champion for 2020.
Thank you, Mr. Clinton. Please join us as we visit our infants classes around the school to meet our Term 1 2021 class captains.
Welcome to KJ. Our class captains for Term 1 are Evie Fitzsimmons and Harrison McQueen. Let's please give these class captains a clap. Our Term 1 class captains for KDT are Jake Preston, congratulations, and Kelsey Crane. Let's give these class captains a clap.
Welcome to KL. Our Term 1 class captains for this year are Amity and Luca. Let's congratulate our Term 1 class captains.
Welcome to KG. Our class captain for Term 1 is Luke. Congratulations, Luke.
Welcome to KF. Our Term 1 class captains are Wyatt Rogan and Gypsy Gallimore. Let's congratulate them.
Welcome to 1C. Our class captains for Term 1 are Halen Dean, well done, and Annabelle Harvey. Give them a clap.
Welcome to 1J. Our Term 1 class captains are Byron North and Elliot Bolton. Give them a round of applause.
Welcome to 1B. Our Term 1 class captains are Jacob Roach, Mia Fullerton. Let's congratulate our Term 1 class captains.
Welcome to 1-2E. Our class captains for this term are Henry and Talia. Could everyone congratulate our class captains for Term 1?
Welcome to 2F. Our class captains for Term 1 are Bo Morgan. Well done, Bo. And Holly Monk. Well done, Holly. Let's congratulate our Term 1 class captains.
Welcome to 2R. Our classroom captains for Term 1 are Yasmin and Tyler. Everyone, let's congratulate Yasmin and Tyler.
Welcome to 2BL. Our class captains are Kevin, congratulations, and Ava, congratulations. Let's give them a clap.
Please join us as we visit our primary classes around the school to meet our Term 1 2021 class captains.
Welcome to 3R. Our class captain award winners for this term are Amelia White and Jackson Collins. Please give these students a clap.
Welcome to 3W. Term 1, our class captains are Harrison and Alicia. Please give our class captains for this term a round of applause.
Welcome to 3M. Our Term 1 class captains are Esther and Cooper. Can we give them all a big clap?
Welcome to K6L. Our wonderful class captain is Eloise.
Welcome to K6J. Our Term 1 class captain is Aiden.
Welcome to K6S. Our class captain for Term 1 is Justin King McPhee. Here you go, Justin.
Yay! Welcome to 4F for 2021. Our class captains for this term are Bodie and Holly. Let's give them a clap. Welcome.
Welcome to 4MO. Our class captain, Vincent, is away today. Our girl class captain for term 1 is Izzy. Congratulations, Izzy.
Welcome to 260. Our class captains for term 1 are Kai Ververka and Preston Larkin. Well done, boys.
Welcome to 5H. Our term 1 class captains are Jai and Grace. Please congratulate them now.
Welcome to 5L. Our term 1 class captains are Lillian and Oliver. Let's congratulate them.
Welcome to 456P. Our term 1 class captains are Cooper Buckingham and Chantal Henderson.
Welcome to 6D. Our term 1 class captains are Zoe and Kyrone. Congratulations, guys.
Okay, welcome to 6F. Our term 1 captains for this term are Kalara Quinlan and Michael Love. Can we congratulate Kalara and Michael, please?
Thank you, teachers, for inducting our term 1 class captains.
We will now conclude our assembly with the national anthem. Please stand quietly.